Hold on tight, thrill seekers, because Matrax ATVs are about to take your off-road adventures to a new level. Matrax track conversion systems for ATVs are the epitome of off-road adventure. By replacing traditional wheels with rugged tracks, these ATVs become go-anywhere, do-anything machines capable of conquering rough terrains that would otherwise be impossible to navigate. Whether you're traversing through mud, snow, rocks, or sand, these track-equipped ATVs ensure superior traction and sustainability, giving riders an unprecedented level of off-road freedom and excitement. Matrax's innovative approach to ATV tracks showcases their dedication to pushing the boundaries of conventional off-road capabilities and broadening the horizons of recreational pursuits. Hold on to your seats because we've got another mind-blowing machine to showcase. The eDingo 500 Toro Compact Utility Loader. This innovative electric power loader is transforming the construction and landscaping industry sustainably and efficiently. Unlike traditional gas-powered loaders, the eDingo 500 Toro operates entirely on electricity, emitting zero emissions and producing minimal noise. Don't let its compact size fool you. This machine is a true powerhouse. Equipped with a high-capacity battery, it can handle various tasks, from digging to lifting to hauling and grading. Its electric powertrain delivers instant torque and smooth operation, ensuring precise and controlled movements. What sets the eDingo 500 Toro apart is its eco-friendliness and versatility. Construction sites and landscaping projects often involve working in noise-sensitive areas or indoor environments where emissions are a concern. With the eDingo 500 Toro, contractors can carry out their tasks without disturbing the surroundings or compromising performance. Moreover, the cost savings on fuel and maintenance make this electric loader a cost-effective and sustainable choice for businesses. Get ready to witness the ultimate snow clearing machine, the AB Schmidt TP470 Vario. When winter strikes, this powerful snowblow takes center stage in ensuring safe and efficient winter road maintenance. The AB Schmidt TP470 Vario is a robust and versatile snowplow designed to easily handle heavy snow and icy conditions. Its articulated steering system and adjustable track width provide excellent maneuverability. allowing it to navigate through narrow streets and tight corners. Equipped with a powerful snowblower and a front-mounted plow, this machine can quickly and efficiently clear snow, making roads safe for commuters and preventing traffic disruptions. But what sets the AB Schmidt TP470 Vario apart is its innovative Vario control system. This technology enables the operator to adjust the working speed and snow discharge, optimizing the snow removal process for different snow densities and road conditions. Additionally, the machine's ergonomic cabin design ensures operator comfort and safety during long hours of operation. With the We also have the multi-dismantling machine from Kobelco Construction Machinery. This machine is known for its sharp nibbler teeth capable of tearing up or pulling out any vehicle component. To aid more in gripping, it also has a clamp arm that can be moved vertically. Its bucket cylinder and arm cylinder can even withstand high loads. With its powerful holding valves, its booms and arm cylinders are also given additional safety. This acts almost like a surgeon for vehicles. Up next is the KSI injection attachment. This is the SCOChem, a system of soil stabilization that uses an excavator attachment to inject and mix the defined concrete suspension in non-load bearing soils. It then settles and hardens, which creates a homogeneous, impenetrable, and frost-resistant soil cement structure. These injection attachments are available in two sizes for mounting on excavators between 35 and 80 ton operating weight, and can be supplied with a range of blade lengths. This track switch laying system from Geismar Railroad manufacturer is made up of trolleys and PEM gantries that have specific roles each. Precast slabs are transported in working sites through the trolleys. They go via the rails tracks too. If an untracked area is in between the trolley and the working site, it can still travel while maintaining the height of load at the same level thanks to its crawling systems. On the other hand, the PEM gantries are used to position down tracks accurately. Truly an all-in system. This is the Liebherr LTM 1650 8.1, a mobile crane with 8 axles, 263-foot telescopic boom, and can carry up to 770 tons. With its features, this can easily exceed the works of standard cranes. It also helps that putting the outriggers is made easier with this crane since the operator only needs to use its remote control. Within an hour or two, all the components of this crane have successfully moved automatically, so it can start the operation right away. Hence, saving heaps of time and manual labor for the operator. Known for its easy-to-use technology, the SV Truck TMF 3222 log stacker becomes one of the smartest machines to exist. In an attempt to offer an optimal work environment for the operator without sacrificing its high production capacity, this machine was created. This promises to provide high levels of safety for the operators and incredible efficiency all throughout their shift. These are all thanks to its grapple sizes that range from 8 to 9.5 square meters and 360-degree rotation, which also results in greater accuracy even while rotating longitudinally. The Prinoth M650M Turbo Mulcher is intended for high-performance carrier vehicles with power ratings ranging from 200 to 350 horsepower for 3-point hitch Cat 3 and 4. The M650M redefines shredding technology with its new UPT's rotor concept. Because of the optimal drive shaft operation, the patented synchronization control of the drive shaft, W kinematics, enables full dig of the mulcher at full engine speed. The version with patented turbo coupling is designed for carrier vehicles with up to 400 horsepower and provides even more operational safety. The M650M Turbo has a working width of 92-inch, 2,350mm, and the rotor can be outfitted with 5672X UPTs or 68X BCS tools. Then, there's also the Super Splitter from Bell's Machining. This can split huge logs in just a little bit of time. With its 76-ton force, it can push down a log while the splitting wedge cuts it down into much smaller pieces. This is powered by a 91-horsepower engine, and operators can control it with just its remote. Yeah, indeed, it's very safe, efficient, and a powerful splitter. Get ready to experience the Matrax 9000 HO series sprayer tracks, the ultimate off-road solution for agricultural enthusiasts. The Matrax 9000 HO series sprayer tracks are a game changer for heavy agricultural sprayers. These custom tracks are designed to provide exceptional traction and flotation, allowing farmers to easily conquer even the most challenging terrains. From muddy fields to sandy landscapes and snow-covered grounds, these tracks transform agricultural sprayers into all-terrain beasts, ensuring that farmers can continue their work efficiently and effectively, no matter the conditions. Matrax's commitment to versatility and durability shines through this invention, as it opens up new possibilities for farmers to navigate and work in previously difficult areas. A.B. Schmidt TP470 Vario on the job, Winter's Fury is no match for its impressive snow clearing capabilities. Now let's take to the skies with the Erickson Air Crane, a helicopter in a league of its own. The Erickson Air Crane is a heavy lift helicopter used in various industries from firefighting to construction. What makes it unique is its ability to carry massive payloads, including water for firefighting or construction materials, with precision and stability. What sets this helicopter apart is its versatility and heavy lift capabilities. It's a crucial asset in emergency response and large-scale construction projects. The Erickson Air Crane underscores the importance of specialized helicopters in critical operations where rapid response and heavy lifting are essential. Let's shift our focus to the Bell's 8000 electric circular saw, a cutting-edge tool changing the game in construction. The Bell's 8000 electric circular saw is a powerful and precise cutting tool designed for heavy-duty tasks in construction and woodworking. Its electric power and advanced features make it a game-changer for professionals. What sets this circular saw apart is its efficiency and accurately. It simplifies complex cutting tasks, making it a must-have for precision construction work. The Bell's 8000 electric circular saw highlights the significance of advanced tools in construction, where precision and efficiency are paramount. Let's explore the future of firefighting with firefighting robots, machines designed to battle blazes in the most challenging environments. Firefighting robots are autonomous machines equipped with advanced sensors and firefighting tools. They can navigate through flames and smoke to extinguish fires efficiently. What sets these robots apart is their ability to work autonomously in extreme conditions. They're a game changer in firefighting, enhancing safety for firefighters and improving fire response times. Firefighting robots highlight the importance of automation in firefighting, where rapid and effective response can save lives properly. Now, let's delve into the waters with the Liebherr Ponton Excavator P995, designed for underwater construction. The Liebherr Ponton Excavator P995 is a specialized underwater excavator. It's used in marine construction projects, from port development to underwater pipeline installation. What sets this machine apart is its ability to operate beneath the water's surface, performing tasks that were once extremely challenging. It's crucial for projects that require underwater precision. The Liebherr Ponton Excavator P995 underscores the importance of specialized machinery in underwater construction, where precision and reliability are essential. Finally, we have the Liebherr LTM 1650-8.1, a crane reaching new heights in heavy lifting. The Liebherr LTM 1650-8.1 is an all-terrain mobile crane with extraordinary lifting capacity. It can handle massive loads precisely and is a game changer in heavy lifting operations. What sets this crane apart is its